How to change YouTube thumbnail after upload. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube. Now at the top right corner you're gonna find this profile picture of YouTube channel. Click on it. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of YouTube Studio. With that you'll be directed to this page, Channel Dashboard. Now head towards the option of Content. Click on it. With that you're gonna find all of the videos that you have uploaded. Head towards the video whose thumbnail you wanna change. Click on the pen kind of icon. Now over here you'll find different options. Scroll down, you'll see the section of thumbnail. You can see that I have already uploaded thumbnail for this video. Now how to change it? For that you'll need to click on three dots. Then click on the option of change. Now go ahead and select the new thumbnail for your video. Then click on open. So you can see that thumbnail has been changed. Now go ahead and click on save. With that, your thumbnail will be changed for this video. By applying the same process, you can easily change YouTube thumbnail for other videos as well. That's a wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear how to change YouTube thumbnail after upload. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.